Why you choose OBD2 scanner, V317 SinoTrack car interior accessories. The following are some features highlight why you should choose. We are introduce features interest for OBD2 scanner, V317 SinoTrack car interior accessories. If you are searching for information, we are going to lead you to a large and reliable source. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Professional OBD2 scanner for car code reader is a full-featured fault diagnostic instrument. It supports reading and clearing vehicle fault codes, reading data stream, freeze frame information, checking mil status, reading car battery voltage, oxygen sensor test, and fuel evaporation system, Mode 8, test for petrol models. The vehicle information check function allows you to find out information about your vehicle, which is particularly useful when buying a used car or carrying out repairs. Car engine fault code reader quickly reads fault information about the car and vehicle parameters without complicated setup, up and down key selection, determination, finds, and solves faults in just a few minutes. Even beginners can easily use the scanner to read and clear fault codes. This saves you hundreds of dollars in diagnostic costs at the garage. SinoTrack Automotive Diagnostic Scan Tester Tools Kit. Insert the intelligent chip provides the accuracy data of checking. The 2.8-inch color screen and light color easy to read the data testing results. The green light shows support for vehicle testing, the yellow light indicates that the vehicle is faulty and the red light indicates power on. V317 Universal Auto Check Car Engine Clear Fault Code Reader is compatible with all 1996 and newer model cars sold in the US and Europe. Again, if you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.